Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Lodhi Kanis Fatma Niaz Ahmed, Head of the Department Political Science, JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. Dear listener, you all are welcome in this video lecture. पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टॉपिक में पेपर में ये टॉपिक फीचर्स ऑफ न्यू पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जिसको आज हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। मेन फीचर्स ऑफ न्यू पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या है? 10 पार्ट्स में इसको डिवाइड किया गया फीचर्स को। दीज आर एज फॉलोज। नंबर 1, रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस। न्यू पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस होता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है। द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन शुड ब्रिंग अबाउट सर्टन इंटरनल एज वेल एज द एक्सटर्नल चेंजेस सो दैट द पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कुड बी मेड मोर रिलेवेंट टू द social, economic, political and technological environment. For this to happen, the administration has to be more flexible and adaptable to the various changes. The second main important feature of new public administration is client centricity. This means that the effectiveness of administrator should be judged not only from the point of view of the government but from that of the citizen. If the administrative action did not improve the quality of life of citizen, they are not effective, not with a standing whatsoever rationality and effective they may have. Third feature is structural changes in administration. The new public administration approach call for small, flexible and less hierarchical structure in administration so that the citizen administration interface could become more flexible and comfortable. The organizational structure should be in with the socially relevant condition. Fourth feature is multidisciplinary nature of public administration. Knowledge from several disciplines and not just one dominating paradigms build the discipline of public administration. The political, social, economic, management and human relation approaches are needed to ensure the growth of discipline. Fifth feature is politics administration dichotomy. Since administrators today are involved in policy formulation and policy implementation at all the stages, dichotomy meaning a division or contrast between two things that are or are represented as being opposed or entirely different. Next feature is awareness. Bring attention to the work of public administration and tasks that public administrators carry out for the community and for the government. Job of public administrator affect communities and large number of people. The importance of the job should be highlighted. Now the case study. Case study help public administrator highlights situations and events where policies were not carried out as they should be. They set an example for what to do and what not to do. Case studies are a basic way to break down events in order to learn from other people's mistakes and affect those mistakes have had on the community. With public administration being a job devoted to the people, It is an obvious way to see the reality of the work you do in the community. While there are many cases where policies were not carried out as planned, there are also plenty of examples of executed policies that have benefited communities, and those are important to look at as well. Structure change. Public administration is moving in many different directions. It is more often called public management now. This is because the job is moving towards the direction of not only implementing policy to people but also managing policies as it trickles down through the law process so that it is realistic for communities and the people in them. Next feature is jack of all trades. The best public administrator tends to be someone who has knowledge in politics and law, but also has a hand in communities' function. This allows for a smooth transition from policy to implementation. The last feature is change. With the change in the world, the job of public administration has changed. The job may be the same, but titles like public manager and public advisor have replaced the title of public administrator. These are some features of new public administration. Hope you will listen very carefully and you understand this concept of new public administration. Thank you very much.